Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Make a promise. Healthy food is very important for leading a good life. We classify food into two categories. They are healthy and unhealthy food. Healthy food gives you nutrients and keeps you in good health. Fast food and junk food are unhealthy foods. Fast food is prepared within a very short time. Junk food, as the name shows, is of no use to the body other than filling up the stomach. Chocolates, soft drinks, cakes, burgers, pizzas, chips, etc. are junk foods. Let's make a promise that we will avoid junk foods and adopt a healthy lifestyle.